Hey guys, today we're going to be installing this E330 carbon fiber front lip. We have a 987.1 Cayman S in the shop today. However, this front lip will work for base and S on all 987.1 Caymans. First step is to remove these 3 push pins on either side of the vehicle. I'm going to use a pick, and you simply just press up in the middle of it and push it through, and then you're going to just pull it out. With those push pins removed, all you're going to do is grab back here and give it a little tug. And then you're going to repeat the process on the other side. Now with the factory front splitters removed, we're going to just take a little bit of ISO and a microfiber and clean the area where the 3M tape is going to be adhering to. Before installing the front lip onto the vehicle, you're going to want to install these sheet metal brackets that we include, and make sure you use the machining screws. It's easy to tell which bracket goes on what side because of the way that they're shaped. They will match perfectly into the lip. One of the last steps before installation is to install the provided larger bracket. You're going to feed the screw up from the bottom, line up the hole. The center bracket that we just installed is going to utilize this factory T25 screw, so go ahead and take that out. One of the last steps for installation, you're going to want to pigtail this 3M tape. Just get it started here. I like to pull off about 1 inch or 2. Now with the brackets installed and the 3M tape pulled back just a hair, we're going to go ahead and install it. I like to start by hooking the tab and lining up the passenger side first, and then slowly walking it over. Now with the passenger side lined up, I like to walk all the way over to the driver's side, making sure it's lined up as I go. I want the bracket on either side of the lip to be on the outside of the fender liner. You'll notice the carbon fiber does have tabs in the factory location. You're gonna go ahead and just give it a nice press, and it should snap in nicely for you. Now you can pull the 3M tape and make sure it's properly adhered. Now's a good time to install the T25 back in its home. Final step of the install is to install the supplied wood screws into the fender liner through this bracket that you installed previously. You can either turn your wheel in like we did to gain access, or you can take your wheels off. It's your choice. So that wraps up the install of the E330 carbon fiber front lip for the 987.1 Caymans. If you like this part and you want to see more, check us out at Rennline.com.